Hi everyone, it's Rainey with whyamigreen.com, and I'm out here on the deck after we just had a thunderstorm to show you how my garden's progressed, how the tomatoes have grown since I've decided to string them up so they grow taller, and what's happened to my string beans and corn. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's how everything's looking out here, and the thing that I've done different, if you remember, in the middle of each one of these grow bags, I had a bag with string beans, and around these two, there were sunflower in the middle and string beans going around them, and then those two, right in the middle, I had corn, popcorn actually growing in the middle. And I'll show you what happened to those in a minute. But for right now, these are to the tomatoes, and remember I strung those up all the way to the top of this little scaffold I made, and you can see some of them are getting pretty tall. This one over here is at about 4.5 feet tall. This scaffolding is actually 7 feet high, and matter of fact, that one over there has come well. Look at all the tomatoes on there. So it's doing well. The whole idea was for it to grow tall, and you can see I've been cutting out a lot of the sucker branches so it'll continue to grow tall, and tomatoes are going to come off each end and keep on growing all the way up so I don't have to bend down. I did it with those two over there, and this one I made a mistake. I actually snapped the main line off, so it's not going to grow much taller unless I can get this one here trained to go up. That one will be a little wider. And you can see my green peppers are doing well. There's one of them over there, and I got some Frasers in with this pepper. And so more tomatoes there, and this is my cherry tomato plant. And you can see down there some nice cherry tomatoes coming out, which we'll be eating tomorrow. And even that's strung up, and this one here is strung up. But what I did was I took the center ones out, all the string beans, because they were actually going all the way to the top, 7 feet, and they started going across from one to the other, and it was really overcrowding everything. So I took those out, and I made another little bath, so the water goes from my main bucket over there into the bucket with the float, into all the swimming pools individually, and you can see that tube coming out of this last pool and going into this new bath that I built here that holds 4 more grow bags with the beans. And the beans, I did take the corn and the sunflower out of the middle because it was just crowding it way too much. The corn actually got about maybe 5.5 feet tall, but like I said, they were so crowded, I did take care of them, and they're gone. I'll probably use the stock for Halloween. But even that, again, is 7 feet tall, and then here I'm wrapping them around, so they're going to grow quite a bit. And over here, these are all string beans, but over here I have my peas. We've gotten quite a few peas. It's getting to the end of the season for those. And you can see even they got close to 7 feet tall. And there's still some more. You can see some here and here. So they're coming out pretty nice. Another one there. But we did get quite a few peas from that. So that's how the garden looks. I'm very pleased with how it came out, with the different kind of clips that I use and stringing it up. Actually, I put some poles in there because I wanted to reinforce the string just in case the twine breaks. So that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.